I'm not opposed to the event, but I'm opposed to the lack of social distancing. And yeah, it's outdoors, and I think it's a much better scenario when you're outdoors, but if you have people too close together, you can have a spread. So I'm not opposed again to the celebration. It's just the fact that there's going to be no social distancing and people could be close to each other. No, I do the celebration, but that's a large area. And you need to socially distance. Now, if you walk up to like the main area at Mount Rushmore, and of course I've been there, if you walk, you know, straight to where the buildings are and you walk to the observation area, that is a smaller, you know, I think it's like a little amphitheater kind of area. And yeah, that can get pretty tight in there. And I would recommend social distancing. And I'd like to hear a governor say that we are practicing social distancing versus we're not practicing social distancing. I don't get it. I don't understand it. And I think to many, and this is the quandary that we're in, is that many Republicans or those that support President Trump, they think that if they mandate a mask or suggest social distancing, that is a slap at the president, that it's anti-Trump. We got to get out of that mode. Fires. Coverage. Refinance can... They ended up shutting the season down for 2 or 3 months. If you're even going to be the same guy, exactly what I feel like. It's a job that I really love doing to get to this point and to do this album. It's been a wonderful ride.
truth about timeshare. If you think you've done your family a favor by buying a timeshare, you need my help. Hello, I'm Chuck McDowell, CEO and founder of Wesley Financial Group. 10 years ago, I started helping folks cancel their timeshare contracts, and in the process started what's now called the timeshare cancellation industry. Timeshare is the only thing that you can buy that you can't tell me how much it's going to cost or when it's going to end. When you buy a timeshare, you give them a blank check to fill out any amount they want for annual maintenance and assessment fees. Sound crazy? The crazy thing is, this never ends. Even when you die, your family's now going to be stuck with this burden. Stop the insanity today. Call my office now. I guarantee if we can't cancel your timeshare contract, you'll pay nothing.
Call for your free information kit, 800-691-9999. That's 800-691-9999. 800-691-9999.
In retirement, I thought my husband and I would enjoy going places together. Our son's drinking interfered with our plans. We worried about him and our grandchildren and didn't know where to go for help. We found help and support at Al-Anon family group meetings in hospitals, churches, and schools. If someone's drinking troubling you, you might be surprised at what you can learn at an Al-Anon family group. From people just like you, call 1-888-4-AL-ANON or go to alanon.org.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
For details, visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. WHJJ, Providence, and